How to fix Microsoft Store error 0x803F7003. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Start with Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter is a built-in tool designed to identify and automatically fix issues with Windows Store and its apps. It works by scanning for problems and applying predefined solutions. Keeping your system updated ensures that you have all the necessary patches and improvements that Microsoft has released. Sometimes, certain updates can fix issues with Windows Store and its apps. If that didn't work, fix 3. Reset Store Cache. Resetting the store cache can help resolve issues caused by corrupt or outdated cache files. This process refreshes the store app and can remove any temporary files causing the error. Repairing or resetting the Microsoft Store can fix issues by restoring the app to its default settings. System File Checker, SFC, and Deployment Image Servicing and Management, DISM, are system utilities that can repair corrupted or damaged system files, which could be causing the error. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.